Good morning, everybody. It's John from the Tar Heel Classic One Loft Race here in North Carolina. Got a little bit of a different video here for you today. We're giving you a little bit of a behind the scenes look at some of the many fine products that we use here at the Tar Heel Classic on a day-to-day basis. From vitamins and supplements to medications when needed, and different vaccines. I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of some of the many fine products we use from our sponsors here, Schroeder Tolson, and just a little bit of the intake procedure, and just give you an idea of how things progress when a new young bird comes to the loft. Basically, we receive the birds in the mail, and the first thing we do is we want to try to get them hydrated, and in the water we'll use the Tolomin Forte supplement, which gives amino acids, vitamins, and some much needed recovery from their journey, hopefully less than 1 to 2 days, to get them back in feeling good condition. After a couple hours, we give the pigeons some feed, and then we monitor their progress in an individual cage from the group that they came in, so we can look at the droppings and make sure everybody's drinking and eating properly. After we've had them in there for approximately 2 days and everything is looking good, at that point we will then vaccinate them with a 3-way vaccine, and also give them a pox vaccine in the leg. The 3-way vaccine is a PHA, and it's a paramyxo, herpes, and adeno. And after about 3 weeks, the pigeons will then be given a booster with another paramyxo vaccine to continue with the immunity. All along at that point, then the pigeons come into the loft after satisfactorily showing that they're in excellent health, and immediately they are allowed to go outside into a settling cage to get a good view of their surroundings in their new home. Once they go outside, they usually follow the leader, and everybody wants to go outside to the settling cage. We then put a temporary set of stalls in the window to teach them that the only way back into the loft is through the stalls. And you'd be amazed how quickly they get down with that system. And usually in less than 1 to 2 hours, they'll all come in. And then by the end of the week, we'll have them coming in on command with the whistle, and all is good. And at that point, once we're satisfied that they know how to come in on command, then we will then take the settling cage off and let them out. And hopefully without any incidents of something scaring them, they'll just simply sit out around the loft for several minutes, an hour or so, and then they'll be called back in, and they'll start learning that when I blow the whistle and call them in, they come in and they get fed, and it doesn't take long for them to learn that system. From time to time, I'll be doing more videos like this, just showcasing some of the products and some of the behind the scenes things you don't normally see, just so you get an idea of what the tremendous amount of work that goes on behind the scenes in on the day-to-day maintaining good exercise and routine and good health. If you go back and look at some of my past videos, you'll see that there's some trapping videos from 2024, and it's pretty amazing how quickly they can come into the loft when they're trained properly. It's not very often that you'll see many pigeons at the Tar Heel Classic on race day just sitting outside and not responding to the whistle. Usually that's one of the things that we're proud of, is how well they trap in on command. Well, thank you once again, and we'll be talking to you soon. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and leave us a comment if you got any questions of any other things you'd like to see about the loft or around the loft. And check out our website. You can find the link in our profile on the YouTube site. Thank you once again. John from the Tar Heel Classic.